Go find a seat. Dutch. Every time, honey. Come on, you gotta go find a seat. You wanna sit by Lou? Oh, Eddie just stole your seat. Scoot over. Thank you. Come on. Good boy. Good boys and girls. Come on. Find a seat. Gus, up. Good boy. Come on, Char. Find your seats. Charlie, up. Gus, scoot over. Come on, Char. Up. Good boy. Good boy, Hank. Boy, Rusty. Up. Good boys and girls. Oh, what were you doing? Where were you? Oh, yeah, that's what you were doing. We're missing one. Where is he? Come on, I'm not dealing with you today. Let's go. Come here. You were good this morning. Sit, sit, sit. Oh, you little. Come here. Come here. Sit. Hey. Come on, let's go. Bus is leaving. Okay, in timeout then. Let's go. Come on. You want to go in here? All right, you'll go in here. Why are you like this? Come here. Oh, I can't. There's nowhere for you to go. Apollo! There's nowhere for you to go. You're trapped. Yes, thank you. My goodness. All right. Go find our seats. We were all in a seat. Go find a seat, Gussie. Good girl. Come here, Izzy. Come on, it's time to go home. Come on, Izzy. Good girl.